Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about some things in Functions.php. So I have already shown you guys some things that you can do with Functions.php. You can enqueue files, you can enqueue script, you can enqueue style sheet. You can basically give some theme support. So here you can see there are a couple theme supports that this theme is providing. So the very first one is automatic feed links. It will add default post and comments RS feed links to head. Then it controls the title tag. So it the document title with the WordPress will manage it itself if you have this in your functions.php. So the hard-coded title that you can see in the template file, HTML template file, uh, you don't have to keep that one if you just use add theme support title tag. This basically handles that for you. So the next thing is you have already seen this. This is post thumbnails. So basically when you are having a post and you have something at the bottom right corner, you can have an image attached, and you can actually set that as post thumbnail, and you can use that image, you can show that to your audience. But for that you have to manually add this line of code, add theme support post thumbnails, unless that functionality will not be added in WordPress. Then this is just uh, a simple menu. You have to register a menu in order to work. So this is the menu one, and basically uh, this is this is the title primary, and escape HTML. This is basically the location, and this is the theme text domain. So, and this is the handle that we will use when we are using that menu. Then we have some other theme supports as well, like HTML5, and all the functionality within HTML5 is given in this array. So in order to have this work in your WordPress theme, you need to write it like this: add theme support, then HTML5. Then you have to write every functionality in an array like this, like the search form, the comment list, the gallery, the option, no, not option, caption, so etc. The next thing is custom background. So this is something that you can get in the customizer. So if you have the custom background, and you can actually do bunch of cool stuff from the customizer that we will see in a couple more minute or another video. Then we have the customized selective refresh widgets. So this is uh, basically responsible for selective refresh. Then we have the custom logo support. Basically this you can use from the customizer as well. And there's some specifications given already, like the height should be 250 pixel, the width should be 250 pixel, and we should be able to flex height and width both. So yeah, and basically everything is being called with the simple setup. If we go higher, then we can see this is the simple setup function, and this is how you write a function. You first write the name. This is the after setup theme. This has to be after setup theme. You can't write after setup theme 2 or 3 or anything else. You just have to write after setup theme. And the second thing is you have to write a function name that will be used here, function simple setup. So yeah, that's basically it. Then what we can see here, they have registered a sidebar. So the sidebar ID is sidebar1, and the sidebar name they have given sidebar, and this is the description. So basically with this you can register a sidebar, and you can just drag and drop any feature within this. Where you can use this, I can show you. This is the sidebar PHP. If I click on this, you can see here this is showing that if you have any sidebar, then show me the dynamic sidebar. And here they have provided the ID sidebar1. So anything you have written over here should be written over here. So that's how it works. And yeah, So this is something that goes by default before widget, after widget, before title, after title. You don't have to worry about those things. And one thing that you need to keep in mind, that the name is widgets init. This is how you register a widget, and you have to give it a name. This name should be the same as this one. So yeah, the next thing is in enqueuing scripts and styles. So basically here they have used WP enqueue scripts. This is the name that you want to work with, and this is something that you can edit on your own, and this is something that you cannot edit on your own. So you can just write simple scripts or simple codes or anything that you want. But the thing that you have to keep in mind is everything that you write here goes here. So the very thing, first thing they have written is the style CSS. So this is the style CSS that they have enqueued with this line of code, because this says get style sheet URI. Whenever your code is saying get style sheet URI, WordPress will automatically get this line of code. So style.css in the core directory will be handled with this line of code. So the next thing is the script. There are two scripts here, and these scripts are from the simple navigation JS. So if I go here, we can see they have added these scripts, and this is basically the time, and this is true. This is true. It means that it should load in the footer. So that's about it. And yeah, then they have required some other files as well. So you can see those files here. Anything that you want to require, you can write like this: require, then get template directory, then the path name. So yeah. And one thing that you can remember from the very first videos of ours is this file is the WP. This file is the WP head and footer. So if I go to my index.php, here if I go to get header, where's the header file, header.php, you can see there's a line. This is WP head. So here all the lines that is written in the uh, for the style will be loaded here, and all the files that is written in the JS, like the scripts, will be loaded in WP footer. So WP head and WP footer is responsible for, where's the functions.php, for this line of codes. This line of codes represents WP head, and these two represents WP footer. So basically we are not writing these lines, we are just using WP head and WP footer, so that the template looks good and it remains well organized. So yeah, that's why it is. So that's basically everything about functions.php, and in the next video I will just analyze some other files in this WordPress theme, in this WordPress boilerplate theme. So till then, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.